Hello there. I am from Interact Club of VPPM Nashik, India. In our country, India, communalism is one of the biggest national problem. Many cases related to this problem are coming front of police and it is increasing communalism. There are riot attacks between people of different religions. Many political leaders and social workers are approaching people to participate in agitation. That's why India and such other many countries are losing their unity. If we look back in the past, people of all religions used to live together and they were happy of it. So we should at least try to live together with people of all religions. So we should take care not to hurt the hearts of people of any religion. We should solve the dispute between two religions peacefully. We should try our best to maintain unity between the religions. So, by ending this video, I would like to say that our ability to maintain the unity in diversity is the beauty of our nation. Thank you.